Welcome to Tutorial 2 in the Keeneland Omeka tutorial series. This tutorial will provide you with the basics of adding and editing exhibits on the Keeneland Omeka website. When you log on to the Keeneland site, you will see the admin dashboard bar and the working menu. To add a new exhibit, select Exhibits from your working menu. You will see all current exhibits and have the option to add an exhibit. Select Add an Exhibit to start the process. First, complete the title and slug fields. Then add any credits if relevant. Enter a brief description of the exhibit and your exhibit tags, separated by a comma. Finally, select your theme. Omeka will default to the system's current public theme. If you want the exhibit to be accessible to the public, check this box. If you would like to feature the exhibit on your site's homepage, check this box. When you have completed your data entry and selections, click Save Changes. To see an example of this page completed, let's return to the exhibits on the working menu. Select Edit under the Artistry of Pep exhibit, and you'll see the completed data fields. If you scroll down, you will see the pages I have already added to this PEB exhibit. The pages are Jockeys, Features, Keeneland, Equine Comedy, and Posters. And you will see that most of the pages also have sub-pages nested underneath them. To add a new page, select Add Page. Enter your page title and slug, and you will then see your three content block choices: File with Text, Gallery, and Text. The File with Text content block is a good choice for featuring an image or any file from your collection accompanied by a text description. This is an example of how a File with Text content block will appear on your exhibit page. The Gallery content block provides you with the option to feature several images or files from your collection. This is an example of how a Gallery content block will appear on your exhibit page. And the Text content block is for narrative or descriptive purposes. You can use more than one content block per page. For example, if you would like to include a narrative or description before a gallery of images, the first content block you would select would be a Text content block. Add New Content Block. Enter your text here. Your next content block would be a Gallery content block. Select that choice and add New Content Block. If you have any text to add to your gallery, add it here. To complete your gallery, you will need to add items from Omeka. To select an item, click Add Item. You can either search for your item or select your item from a browsable list. Let's use the most recently added items for an example. So let's select this one, Pacific Classic 2007. If you would like to add a caption to this image, do so here. And click Apply to make those changes. And you just continue adding the items that you need in this gallery. To a maximum of 8 items in one gallery content block.
Once you have added all your desired content blocks, click Save Changes
to add your new page. And let's go back to the main exhibit editing page to see an example of an exhibit page made using the Gallery Content Block option. We'll scroll down to our pages and subpages. We'll go to the Features section and select the 1960s features. You can see that this subpage's title and slug and its Gallery Content Block. If you select Edit on any of the included items, you'll see the item's caption as it will appear on the exhibit page. Close this window, and let's take a look at how the content block's layout options are configured. Layout options are limited to pre-configured choices accessible by drop-down menus. Each of the 3 content block types has its own unique set of layout options. You will need to spend some time experimenting with these options to determine what works best for your exhibit pages. If you want to edit your text appearance, you will see a menu of text editing options in your text block, with one drop-down menu for text size options. You will also need to spend some time experimenting with these text formatting options to determine what will work best for your exhibit pages. After you have saved your changes, click View Public Page to see the exhibit as the public will see it. So this is that subpage, the 1960s features page, which is nested under the Features section. From the main exhibit editing page, you can reorder your pages or nest them to create subpages by clicking and dragging the pages to your desired location. You can also select any page or subpage to edit at any time by selecting the page and editing any necessary attributes or adding a new block. Be sure to save changes when you are finished. This completes Tutorial 2, Adding and Editing Exhibits. Good luck and have fun creating